Gardener. Today I'm going to share you how I have grown this corn in 10 days. You can see how big they are. All have 3 to 4 leaves, some are 5 leaves, and those sunflower also, they are also 10 days old. So I start them from seeds. I'll tell you how I've done it. And the other update before I start is this is only 6 days old. You can see all in the 6 days time mostly are germinated. The sunflowers also come out. So what I have done, it's a soil compost along with topsoil. I mix them and also put the seeds as per the seed guidelines, like little thick ½ inch of soil. Spread the seeds accordingly and put the soil on top of it, and then water them thoroughly and put under the greenhouse. Within 2 to 3 days I start seeing the germination start. Corn and both sunflowers. Corn start first, and then I have seen sunflowers are coming up as well. So under 6 days you can see this is day 6. Mostly started 2 leaves of corn, sweet corn, and another 4 leaves in the sunflower. And this is the 4 days before that batch, and this is that 6 plus 4, 10 days old. And in 10 days you can see how many leaves are coming up. The temperature is close to 30 here. You can see this greenhouse thermometer. I kept it just to make sure the temperature is around 30. If it is above 30, I open the windows or doors to make the temperatures around 30 to 33, 35. I don't allow the temperatures to go above 35 because that's going too hot for the plants. They stay overnight here, so no worries about it. This is May in the UK, so night temperature is falling down close to 5-6 at this moment. But because of inside the greenhouse it's close to 10 or sometimes above 10, so that's why there's no worries to keep them under the greenhouse. Next week, even not next week, probably over this weekend, maybe day after tomorrow, I'm going to plant them in the ground. That will allow me to grow them further, because as they grow more, the root is going to be congested and they will not get enough nutrition from the soil. And same for the sunflower. So that was the trick I have used. Actually there is no trick. You can do it in your home, you can do it in greenhouse. If you don't have greenhouse, you can keep inside home, keep the temperature above 20. They'll be growing well, and keep those seeds or close to the window so that it gets sunlight. That's really it. Hope you like it. If you do, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I do love gardening. I share gardening videos, and I'll keep sharing the tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, passionate gardener.